If you're experiencing payout failures on Paddle, it's essential to address the issue promptly to ensure smooth transactions. Follow these steps to resolve the problem efficiently. Step 1. Verify payment information. Check that your bank account or payment method details are correctly entered in your Paddle account. Ensure there are no typos or outdated information that could cause payment issues. Step 2. Review payout thresholds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Check for account restrictions. Look for any notifications or alerts in your Paddle account that may indicate restrictions or issues. Resolve any outstanding issues that could affect your payout status. Step 4. Contact Paddle support. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, reach out to Paddle's customer support. Provide them with details about the payout failure, including any error messages you received. Step 5. Monitor your account. After taking the necessary steps, keep an eye on your Paddle account for updates on your payout status. Make sure to follow up with support if you do not see any changes within a reasonable time frame. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payout failures on Paddle effectively. If problems persist, continuous communication with Paddle support will be key to finding a solution.